Okay, so this is the funnel. It's yellow. It's super easy to find. It's a yellow. I think I gave you like 2 or 3 yellow papers. So you can have more than one funnel. The requirement is that you have one funnel in your actual roller coaster. But if you want to have more, that's fine. But the minimum requirement is one. If you want to have 2, cool. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut out around all the dark. So we're going to cut out this big circle. This one that says long funnel wall. So I'm going to cut the exterior part, okay? And like cut these little knobs right there, these little triangle parts. But this should be a solid piece. I'll show you. And then around all of these 3 things. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to have 5 things to cut out. Okay? So let's go ahead and cut those out right now. So cut all of them out. Okay, so I cut out like the overall shape of it, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things. Okay, now once you cut out like the overall, I'm gonna cut out these little tiny triangles here. Okay, so just take it, cut out the little triangle part, so trim any extra stuff that might be there, like that. And then this one, again, cut out these little tiny triangle parts here. Very carefully, don't rush it. Now, here's something super important now. You see this black line right here in your big circle? You are going to, not the shaded, you're going to cut along this dark line right here. And then you're going to cut this inner circle, okay? So you're going to cut this and then this part, okay? You're not going to cut this part. So that doesn't make sense. Just watch. So I'm going to cut along this dark black line, right? And I'm going to cut it along this dark line. So look, okay? And then I'm going to cut around this. All the way around. All the way around. just like so. So it ends up being like this. Notice this gray area is still attached, but there's a hole right here. Okay. Applying pressure here, scoring them, just like so. And I'm gonna hold these. All right, push them back. Do the same thing here, and with these two lines as well. So I'm gonna score here, here. Fold. Okay. And with this one, the short one, score. And fold. Okay, so we just fold it against the dotted lines. So we fold. No tape yet. Okay, you're gonna line up the arrows that you see on the big circle. You're gonna line them up, so you're gonna kind of like fold it. So now that the arrows are lined up, you're gonna put maybe a couple pieces of tape to hold it in place. There. And here. Okay. Put a piece of tape there. Go and put a piece of tape on the other side you made. Just like this. So again, line up your arrows just like so. Okay. Now the next part. Just reminding myself. Okay. Take the big one. Okay, so I have it a little bit backwards. We want this to be popped out the other way. Does it really matter? Can I pop it out the other way? Uh-oh. Okay. So like the funnel part is like this. It goes in this way. Like this. Okay. And then I'm going to take the long funnel wall, and what you're going to do is you're going to basically tape this around all the way around like so. Okay. So this is like your funnel. This is where the marble would go, go this way. Okay, so here's my funnel. I'm going to take this, and these little tabs go here all the way around. So this is like supposedly the best way to start it is you'll take a couple pieces of tape along the edge here. Like you get it ready. You get it ready to connect. Like every third one or so. Okay, like that. It's a good way to start. I take my funnel, and then, so this is like your wall. So you're gonna align it and then align it and go around like so. See how I'm going around? And since there's already some pieces of tape already connected, it is a little bit easier to connect as we go, just like so. Okay, so I'm building my wall. You guys can see that wall up by first putting some pieces of tape before I put it down. And now I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna put tape along the ones that don't have any tape because you wanna make sure it's secure. All right, go back, tape these down that don't have any tape. Okay, like that. Now I'm going to do the, so that one was the long one, long funnel wall. Now I'm going to do the short funnel wall. Same thing. The way I'm going to start was I'm going to put some pieces of tape here, and then I'll try to then connect it. So first, just the short wall. Take some couple pieces of tape, and kind of spread them out. Not on every one, like every third or so. This will help tremendously when you want to attach it, if you already start with tape on them. All right, so I'm going to continue here. Make sure it goes right to the edge. Take your time, go around. Like so. Add tape to the tabs you didn't add tape before. Secure them down. Like so. Okay, when you secured all the little tabs down, go back to where the long one and the short one met, right here, and put a piece of tape right here. Okay, because you met them right there. But now that it's secured, I want you to put a piece of tape on that seam. Just like so. Okay. Slowly our funnel is coming together. So you have some amazing walls now. This is what the other side looks like. So I'm going to continue. The next part is you are going to, let me remind myself real quick. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Okay, when it came to this one, I need you to fold it up. I think at the first part I fold it down, but I need you to fold it up, just like so. I want you to put a couple of pieces of tape here on the tabs again. Okay. And on the side here, all facing this, make it all sticky on the same side. Okay, so here, now on the opening here, what you want to do is you want to take this part and line up to this part. So this part have to meet, and we're not going to put any tape right now, like this, okay? And then swing it over, line it up, and then you connect your tabs at the bottom. And then you connect this. So here it is. Let me show you again. So what I did was I put tape first, then I matched this to this part. So here to here. Take this off again. Like so, these two meet, then curve. I think doing it on a flat surface might be better, like I am. Okay, those two, so now they're connected here. I'm basically like lining this up best of my ability, and then I'm going to put some tape. Now I'm going to put some tape over here. Keeps moving. And this is actually a very important step because this is where your marble is going to enter the funnel. So you want to make sure you kind of do it right. Don't be afraid to do it more than once till it seems right to you. I didn't really expect this to be my hardest part today, but it seems like it is. Oh, this funnel. Okay. So here's my funnel. Got a really, hard time with this part. I think I got it. So basically the marble is going to go through here, enter through this, and then funnel out. Okay. So remember we saw the video of how it worked from that one that has like 2 stories. So this is your funnel. We're not done. We have one more piece to attach, which is your funnel flap. Funnel flap. And then this one's just pretty easy to attach. Add some tape here, the edge, and you're just going to put it right here on this edge. Just going to put it there. And that is your funnel flap. So the marble goes here, enters through here, like so, and then it funnels down.